Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a new Dollar Tree haul to share with you, and I hope that you will join me. Let me show you all the goodies that I picked up this week. Look at these gnome steaks. Well, they're garden steaks, but look at that, how adorable, right? I picked up two of these with the blue hat and white stars, and he's wearing a blue jacket with red and white pants. And it's got the banner that says America. How cute, right? Adorable. And then I picked up one in the, it looks like a red robe and red white pants, striped. And he's wearing the red hat with the white stars. And the banner says welcome. Just cute. Well, speaking of gnomes, look at these. Look who I found at Dollar Tree. So cute. Got a fuzz on his nose. So I found this one. He's wearing the red robe and his hat is in blue with white stars. And then this one wearing a blue robe with a red and white striped hat. Cute. And it is about 10 inches in height. And it's weighed, so see, it can stand on its own. Just cute. I picked up one each. And then I picked up a scarf. Look at this. There are different patterns in stock, but I like this one. Let me open it up so you can see. See? I like this pattern. The woven ribbon pattern. So this is 63 inches long by 13.8 inches wide. I picked up one. And then the other one I picked up are these. These are bandanas. And you get two in here. Let me trim this off so we can look. Again, there are several patterns in the bandanas also. But I chose this one because it has the gnome. Look at that. Let me open it up. Look at that. How cute is that? Adorable. Just adorable. And then the other one is of the flag. Look at that. Cute, right? I am quite happy that you get two separate patterns in one package. I found these temporary tattoos, and look at that. They are the patriotic themed tattoos, and it's all fine artwork. Look at that. Nice. I like it. So you get 25 tattoos. I love these. Nice. I wish they had more, so I only found the one. And these tattoos are made in USA. I also picked up some ribbons. Look at this. These are your typical 3 yards, and I believe it's 2.5 inches wide. I picked up 4 each. I picked up that one, and I picked up this one, and look at this. Huh. I did not know that. Look at this. Oh. Well, thank goodness it's all in one. I thought it was separated. It is not wired, in case you're wondering. See there? It's just on brown canvas. But I like them. I like the patterns on those. And let me move these aside. Next, let me show you what I picked up. I picked up some metallic pony beads. I picked up 3 bags of these. These are silver metallic beads, and you get 1.2 ounces per bag. It says approximately 150 pieces. It's by Crafter's Square. I picked it up in the silver, and I picked it up in the mixed color and it just says metallic pony beads again. So in this package you get the green, the fuchsia, pink, gold, and silver. Oh, and then there's teal too. Yep, that looks about all the colors. So I will save these for Christmas, but I want to use these when I do my patriotic art. I want to add those in there somehow. I also picked up some nautical items. Well, 3 of 1 item thing. It's by Shorter Living. I picked up the Jute Balls called. Look at that. Nice, right? It's a quite small piece, so it's about 2.5 inches in diameter. I was going to only get one and try to duplicate the knots, but then I'm like, I'll just grab 3. I plan on using these on my one of my tiered tray decorations. I think it'll work out really well. Oh, look at, if you can see inside, look in there. Can you see? It's a foam ball in there. So that's how they made that one. So 3 of those. And then I picked up a couple of trinket, well, 1 trinket dish. And then look at this, it's in a floral pattern. Or maybe a daisy, I don't know. It just says a decor, but I like it. It is really cute. And I only found the 1 color. I don't know if they have another color available, but I really like that one. So I picked up 1. And then I picked up 1 of these art dishes. I'm calling it an art dish, but it's more like I guess it's a display dish. Like that. You can stand it up. See? You can put your own design in there and then stand it up like that and display it. Really cute. They do have different shapes available if if you have not seen them at your store. But I only picked up the 1 circle one. I also picked up some more salad dishes. So my plan is to duplicate the frame itself, or this, the stand. And that's what I would like to do to these plates. So I picked up 1 teal. I picked up 3 of the gray ones because, Halloween is fastly approaching. And I picked up 3 of the orange ones. I have a great idea in mind for those. And then I found the 3D Wreath Form in 10 inches. I had picked up the larger ones, was last year, I think, when they first came out. But this is the first year that I've seen the 10-inch frame. So I picked up 4. I want to duplicate what they did here on the picture itself. That's a really good idea, right? Really cute. I like that one. At least for 1 frame anyways. I'll figure out what I want to do with the rest. I grabbed 4 because I knew it was going to sell out very quickly. No, they do have the larger one available too if you need, if you need the larger frame. And I believe the larger ones maybe 12 inches. It could be 14. And while I was at Dollar Tree, I picked up some stickers. I picked up the multicolor flowers with the pearl center, and you get 12 flowers. I picked up 1. I picked up 1 in the white flower with the pearl center, and you get 12 flowers in that one. And then I picked up this one. These are white butterflies with the the pearl center, and you get 15 butterflies in that one. Next, I picked up some rub-on transfers. Now these are new to Dollar Tree. I believe there's 4. It could be 5 different designs, but I did take a picture, so I'll go ahead and add that for you. So I picked out 4 each. Let me show you what they look like. So this is the one with the daisy. Let me open it up so you can see. Look at this. Nice, right? I like it. It's got the bees with the little, what do you call that, a laurel? And then you got the script with the flower on. You got the honeycomb, and then you got the flowers, and you got a little harp on a string. It says bloom. It's very cute. Look at that. I mean, you can, once you transfer the images off, you can reuse the paper for other projects. So it's all versatile. Nice, right? So there's that one. And then here is the other one. Oop. Let me get this opened. Now this has the alphabets. Look at that. I like these too. These are the capital letters, and then you get rings. And I got this one because I was thinking I'm going to use the little rings as like seals, you know. I think they'll make great seals on any project, that is, you know. And then of course you got your font on the capital letters. Really nice. I like them. Let me show you the happy find of the week. This is the V&A hand cream, and it's in Wild Forest, and it is 1.7 ounce, and that's what it looks like. And what I like about it is that it has a seal. And I really like the packaging. I'm glad they continued on to the tube itself. So I got this home, and then I pulled out my lip balm. You'll remember Dollar Tree had these a while back. Or if you have not seen it at your store, you will soon. So we have the lip balm in orchid pear, floral mint, and sweet honey. The reason why I pulled these out is I wanted to show you this. Look at that. It's the same packaging, but it's in different scents. So that means there's a lip balm up there that's in Wild Forest. So these are some of the other scents you're going to hopefully find at the Dollar Tree. And I have one last item from the Dollar Tree, and that is my Arizona sweet tea. I picked up my supply of Arizona tea, which is 2. That is my Dollar Tree haul, but I do have a couple of items I want to add to this week's haul, and that is ribbons. By now you know my addiction to ribbons, so let me see. This I picked up at Dollar General, I believe. Let's see. Sorry, I've been out and about. I believe it's Dollar Yeah, I believe it's Dollar General. Looks, I found it. It's a patriotic colors. You get the red truck with flowers in there, and it says Country Farmhouse. I don't believe it's part of the patriotic series. It's just that, you know, they had it available in these colors, so I went ahead and picked them up. And then there's this one. This is like a denim. Look at that. How fun is that? And then one more. I found it in, oh, this one's a little stubborn. This is red burlap. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Such a pretty color, right? So, you know, take a quick trip over to Dollar General and see, and I hope that you find this ribbon collection right here. It is really cute, and it goes with my new supply of ribbons from the Dollar Tree. Look at this. There's the stars one, and oops, I flipped over. Turn it back the right way. And then here is the one with the stripes. Look at that. Now see, they all go together, right? Even the denim and the blue stripe on this one, they match up really well. I'm quite happy with, I found these ribbons at the Dollar Tree. It goes really well with this collection right here too. Well, I hope you guys find what you are looking for at your Dollar Tree this week. And I hope that I was able to show you a few items that you may want to pick up from your Dollar Tree also. And, you know, a few items you may want to keep a watch out for at Dollar Tree and at Dollar General. Well, if you happen to see these hand creams, definitely pick it up. And if you've been on the watch out, grab some of these. I did not even realize that they had a 10-inch one. I just thought it came in the one larger size, and I'm quite happy with it. And I hope that you find your gnomes also. Really cute. Just adorable little gnomes they are. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.